Hello everybody, today we're going to be going ahead and installing Apache web server. To begin, we want to go ahead and make sure that your package repository is up to date. So we're going to go ahead and type sudo apt update. That will grab every package and make sure that they are updated. Now we can go ahead and install the actual Apache server. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Okay, great. Now you have your Apache web server actually installed. Now we are going to boot that web server up. Okay, we have that up and running, and we are about wrapped up, but not quite here. We want to actually enable Apache to run on boot, meaning that when you boot up your computer, you want the Apache web server to boot up with it. So to do that, we can type in the following command. Okay, there we go. And a quick note, we are done with the actual installation of the Apache server, but if you do have the UFW firewall on Ubuntu, you will need to type in the following command to actually allow it through that firewall. So now you added a rule to your UFW firewall on Ubuntu to actually allow that. And then to double check that, we can do UFW status, and you can view right there that you did actually allow that. Now we can actually go ahead and test out the Apache web server. So you can just go ahead and type that in right there into your browser. So we can open up a new browser tab, go to localhost, and hey, here we are. You have now installed Apache web server. And I hope that helps you. If it did help you, go ahead and follow the channel, drop a like. If you have any type of question, leave a comment and I'll try and help you out there. Alrighty, have a good one.